Welcome to Thompson BMW. Since 2014, BMW owners have had access to the My BMW App, allowing easy control of services and functions like locking your vehicle remotely or scheduling your next service appointment. The recently updated My BMW App also contains useful features specific to all-electric or plug-in hybrid models. Lower your energy consumption and costs by preconditioning the climate before entering your vehicle. Planning a trip? You can check your estimated range before leaving your home or send the designated travel route directly to your vehicle's navigation system. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you too can enjoy carefree mobility with the My BMW app.